Hi, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a common English language puzzle. The surprising shift in meaning that happens when we turn some adjectives into adverbs by adding ly. Most of the time, adding ly just changes the adjective's function without altering the meaning. For example, easy, an adjective, becomes easily, an adverb, but the meaning stays roughly the same. However, with some pairs, ly changes not only the form, but also the meaning, sometimes radically. Let's look at some of these tricky cases. Let's start with fair and fairly. Fair as an adjective means just or honest, like in, the referee made a fair decision. But fairly doesn't mean honestly, but moderately, or somewhat, like the test was fairly difficult. Next, we have free and freely. Free, the adjective, often means without cost or not restricted, as in the concert was free. But freely means without restraint. So if you say they spoke freely, it means they spoke openly, not that they spoke without cost. Now let's look at late and lately. Late is an adjective meaning after the expected time. For example, she arrived late, but lately means recently. So, I've been studying a lot lately refers to a recent period. Now, how about short and shortly? Short as an adjective means not long in length, duration, or height. It was a short movie. However, shortly means in a little while, as in, I'll be there shortly. It doesn't relate to size at all. Next up, hard and hardly. Hard describes something challenging or solid. For example, the test was hard. But hardly means barely or almost not. I hardly slept last night means you barely got any rest. Next, there's near versus nearly. Near as an adjective means close, as in the shop is near. Nearly means almost, like I nearly finished my work. So you didn't quite finish, you were close. Now, fine and finely. Fine means of high quality or acceptable, like the weather is fine. Finely, however, is about detail, as in finely chopped onions. It's all about the precision, not quality. Next, high versus highly. High often describes a tall distance or level. The plane flew high, but highly means very or extremely, like she's highly respected. It's about degree, not altitude. Next, right and rightly. Right means correct, as in your answer is right. Rightly means with good reason, like she was rightly upset. It shows justification, not correctness. Finally, wide versus widely. Wide, as an adjective, means broad, like a wide road. Widely means by many people or in many places, as in the book is widely read. All these pairs look similar but mean different things, so keep these differences in mind next time you're reading or writing in English. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more language tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.